Hello, welcome to the Tartan Topiary. I'm Mary, and I'd like to invite you into my library as we look at this week's book, A House That Made History, the Illinois Governor's Mansion, Legacy of an Architectural Treasure, written by Mary Catherine Pritzker, foreword by Michael S. Smith. Mary Catherine Pritzker has served as Illinois' First Lady since the inauguration of her husband, J.B. Pritzker, as governor in January of 2019. In 2022, Pritzker curated a collection of Illinois art and historic furniture to furnish the Illinois Governor's Mansion. She oversaw the mansion's renovations with the help of designer Michael S. Smith, with whom she published this book. Michael S. Smith is a renowned designer and is included in the AD 100, which is a selection of top architects and interior designers from Architectural Digest. His design style is characterized as a blend of classic European style and American modernism. Mr. Smith has redecorated the residential quarters of the White House. He has also worked with Cindy Crawford, Steven Spielberg, Dustin Hoffman, and Michelle Pfeiffer. In 2003, Smith was named Designer of the Year by Elle Decor. He is also regarded as one of the most original and respected talents in the design industry today. In this extraordinary collaboration, Pritzker and Smith utilized the best of Illinois' long tradition of fine craftsmanship. This allowed the mansion's long history of exceptional decorative arts and artisans to continue with the same level of quality. This visually stunning book not only celebrates the updating of this Italianate Greek Revival Illinois Governor's Mansion, but it also tells the story of the house's evolution since 1855. This evolution includes the lives and times of the renowned personalities that inhabited this home, along with the illustrious visitors, including Abraham Lincoln, Ulysses S. Grant, Rutherford B. Hayes, Theodore Roosevelt, and Franklin Roosevelt. These striking historic rooms have been restored and enhanced with sophisticated color palettes, gorgeous fabrics, wall coverings, and bespoke furnishings. One striking hallway is completely covered with this beautiful corn-motif wallpaper pattern. This clever motif also serves as the book's end pages. Among some of the new rooms created were guest bedrooms. These feature Frances Elkins' canopied beds, along with beautiful textiles, antique furnishings, and art. Mary Catherine Pritzker writes in the introduction, "Growing up in South Dakota, I never imagined that I would become the First Lady of Illinois and that this grand old house, known as the People's House, would become my home. It was by chance that in my junior year at the University of Nebraska, I was offered an internship in the office of Senator Tom Daschle. I was studying interior design and planning to pursue a postgraduate degree in preservation architecture. I wasn't sure I wanted to add politics to my education. As it turned out, I loved working in government, and my internship grew into a staff assistant's job. Soon after, I was set up on a blind date with Mr. J.B. Pritzker, who worked across the hall on the third floor of the Senate office building. And as they say, the rest is history." A House That Made History, the Illinois Governor's Mansion, Legacy of an Architectural Treasure, written by M.K. Pritzker, foreword by Michael S. Smith. This book has 272 pages. It is published by Rizzoli, and it retails for $65.
What you doing?
I'm a loner, Mary. I'm a rebel. You don't want to get mixed up with me.
You don't want to get mixed up with a guy like me. I'm a loner, Dottie. A rebel.
Yeah, I'm picking up what you're laying down.
You want to do a wheelie?
No, I want you to hide that before the neighbors see it.
They saw it already.
It's a great fall day. It's not too hot, the sun is out, and I have some petunias and creeping jenny that need to be planted. I also purchased 5 window boxes that fit perfectly on the windows to Daniel's shop. I'll install those later, but today I wanted to share with you my wall garden. I had several people comment on this wall garden. Many of you asked about this feature, and it's a very simple one. I purchased this from Amazon. It was very inexpensive, and really what it is a strong wall canvas with pockets made for plants. I'll be filling these pockets today with creeping jenny and petunias, which is perfect for autumn. Many of you may remember my old potting shed. Yes, it's a distant memory now, but it was sacrificed for Daniel's workshop. I may not have a potting shed anymore, but I do have a potting table, and it gets used a lot. And on the fence by my potting table is where I place the vertical garden. I usually change it twice a year, according to the season. Along with the creeping jenny and the petunias, I will be adding a croton plant, or croton plant. The leaves on this plant are perfect for fall, and with some indirect light, they'll maintain their beautiful color until the first frost. And that's true for the petunias as well. But the great thing about creeping jenny is that in this area, which is a Zone 8, it does fine year-round. As I put together this wall garden, it really doesn't need much of an explanation, so I'll just let you watch. I love this wall garden for many reasons, but I think the main reason is that for minimum effort, you get maximum results. And you can see a little bit of the black background now, but in 2 weeks, it will all be covered with greenery and flowers. And with these plantings, I usually only have to water it twice a week. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will join me next week as we look at Hilfiger Homes, written by Tommy and Dee Hilfiger, as we are invited into 7 uniquely designed homes by Tommy Hilfiger and his wife Dee Hilfiger.